Does your Expeditions fan not work on any of these lower settings, but only on the high? If so, this is how you fix it. This is my 1998 Expedition. It has a dual climate front and rear, and the front blower motor is not responding to adjustments in the speed as far as the low and two medium settings. It only works on high. So if that's the case, what you need to pick up is it's called a blower motor resistor, and so each one of these resistor circuits basically controls one of the slower speeds of the blower motor. So here's the part number that I got for my vehicle, but for basically any other vehicle, this is how it works. It's a really simple install, so let's get to it. The only tool you need for this job is a 1/4-inch ratchet with an 8mm socket and a little extension in it. So basically we're here in the underneath the glove box on the passenger side, obviously. And if you go underneath here and you look way back here, you can see right there is the blower motor resistor. And so those two screws you got to pull out and then unplug the connector and then just replace the resistor. Okay, so here's the original stock one out. Nothing obviously wrong with it, but something is wrong with it. I'm gonna go put the new one in. So you just stick it up into the dash like that, and then the two screws right in the middle hold it in. I got the new one in there, 2 screws, nice and easy, and we'll give it a shot, see if it works. So I'll turn my air conditioning on, and already it's working. So here's low, it works, and then mid, and then high as well. So we're good to go. Nice easy fix, so hopefully it helps you out.